Good morning, everybody. Today we are venturing up into Malibu. So expect some sand, expect some sun, expect some waves, and I imagine we'll probably have a full-blown beachy hair moment. Malibu coming at you. Let's get your hair matted, start this morning up. Let's roll, guys. Okay, today's hero product, Kerastase Materialiste. This product, hello, find it. Thickening spray gel, my favorite product from Kerastase. Actually gives the hair guts, it gives it grit. It just makes the hair like amazing. It makes it moldable, pliable, sexy, and it roughs up the texture, and it kind of gives you a base and a foundation, and it just sort of, this is like your concrete slabs at the bottom of your hairstyle. This thing is awesome. Love this guy. One of my key tips for you guys today, when styling hair for a photo shoot, is be aware of what's going to be happening throughout the day with the hair, what the evolution of the looks are going to be. What I'm trying to say is, if you start doing things to the hair too early on in the shoot and you get it way too overworked or too stiff, way too much hairspray is the number one thing you should not be doing. Stay away from the hairspray. The hair is not going to react, it's not going to move, it's not going to do what you want it to do, and you always want to be in control of that hair. So we're going to be at the beach all day. There's going to be water splashing all over the place. There's going to be sand in the air, the humidity in the air. The hair is going to kind of messy, undone, tousled, beach grunge, cool girl. She's got tons of blonde hair, so I want it to really be like messy, and I want it looking a little more like a little strong, a little more powerful, a little more warrior, maybe like beach warrior, maybe beach warrior. Being a beach warrior, you gotta have a weapon. My T3, this guy. Probably use him today just because you're never gonna get a same curl. Size, sectioning, wrapping style, and the shape of this wand is going to make your curls crazy sporadic, messy, go one way, go the other way. There will be no tons of organicness to this style, and a lot less of like trying to be perfect. This isn't section by section hair. This is like grip it and rip it hair.
You can call me stupid. You can call me sheep. You can say I'm lazy. You can say I'm weak. You think that using her would get to me, and if you're right, then you're in trouble.
Loud.
So
good.
We like this?
Yes.
You're on camera.
Oh, I love it. Love it.
She's on camera back there.
I hate it.
Welcome Corlin. She's our amazing model today. Yeah, kind of like beachy, fucked up warrior type hair. These brows are like, your brows are being. And this is a radiating sun moment. Cool. So this is our moment. We're gonna let this evolve. Glam team, no, pretty. The pretty committee. We are the pretty committee.
The pretty committee.
Yeah. There we go. I'm gonna put this up into this fan, and that's not gonna be good. I don't think. Like, this would be a cool angle from the fan. All right, I'm done. We have to get rolling, so let's get a move on. See you in a second. What's our thought?
I think just beachy.
Beachy.
Yeah.
We're on beach. What?
Just beachy.
Beachy.
I tried to go for a little bit of a beachy look today.
look?
Yeah. Feel pretty, I think, beachy?
Beachy.
Yeah, I think so. My waves are feeling a little beachy. I just let them air dry, so.
Life's a beach. We're just playing in the sand. Is that a Kanye line?
Quoted by Lil Wayne.
Lil Wayne, even better. What do we want to do with you?
Oh my god, can you do my hair too?
Your hair?
Yeah, it's fucked.
Sit down.
Oh, sorry.
And we're like, model's getting dressed. We're eating shit.
We need sustenance.
We're on a beach.
In the boom.
We're in the boo.
Ready for battle. Beach warriors.
How about that look cool? That's right. full disclosure, we had a little wardrobe malfunction, and we had to put some water to get the creases out. She didn't piss her pants. You guys.
I sat on a chair.
Sat on the chair like a bad model.
Yeah.
Right now it's
Terrible.
There's a jungle in my head growing wilder. You're my tropical.
Oh, look at that hair.
Me next?
Yes, work.
Me next? Coconut extract conditioner?
So soft.
Like a golden retriever.
So basically, wrap this all around a fucking little iron as crazy sporadic as I could. She's got amazing hair, but like in between each section, I kind of sprayed a little bit more of that thickening spray gel stuff to kind of keep fattening each section up so it kind of plumped up on itself to give it this moment. It's a vlog off. It's a vlog off.
You can't vlog. You can't vlog.
As you could tell, his camera's bigger than mine. This sand is so fucking hot. How is that happening? Isn't the sand hot? Damn! These kids are savage! Or maybe I'm just like a ninny, little sissy ninny. Wow, 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 wow.
Do it
Kind
real
of like
quick.
Stranger Things a little bit.
Yes!
Nice.
Love
Can you do
it.
any tricks? Get a little
Cartwheel?
I'm not acrobatic. Not whatsoever.
Are you okay?
You're like, I'm good. I feel like you're definitely good.
You can be honest. You don't have to be a
I'm
superstar.
Good. I'm always.
Oh,
I always hang in there, no matter what.
she's good. This one.
Good.
Yeah. Yeah, I told you it's hot, right? Look at this one. She's like, fuck it, I'm out. That's why I went with the shoes. I went with the shoes. So sure about our like hair and makeup trailer situation today. What is it called? The honey wagon? A honey wagon. Ooh, I like that. Maybe your hair should be like more beachy.
More beachy? Like
More beachy.
should I just throw some sand in it?
Yeah, I think it might need like a sea anemone in it or something.
Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Kind of
Let's go more beachy.
more beachy.
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 More beachy.
Beachy.
Sea anemones?
Beachy.
How many?
Anemone.
many-
What is
Sand dollar?
Sand dollar. A sea dollar.
Sea
A
dollar.
sand dollar. And then the starfish like sucks onto it and like sucks all of its stuff out. Yeah.
It's like my wife. Just kidding. Just kidding, Laura. I love you, baby.
There.
Now it's time for a breakdown. Carol Ann.
What is my name?
Carol Ann, look into the light. Carol Ann.
Who's that Carolyn?
I know what her name is. I'm fucking it up on purpose.
That sounds good.
Totally.
I like where this is going.
Alright, doesn't really get much better than this. Whole crew's there. Rock climbers there. Shoo. Cameras there. Yeah, good times. Hope you could see those dolphins. The dolphins were pretty cool. Not gonna lie, I'm kind of into a dolphin moment. Mermaid. Mermaid. That focus though. I don't know about that focus though. Lift one up. No, he's just nibbling. Oh, that's cool. Thanks, bro. All right, squirrel feeder just reached the top of the mountain. He just fucking crushed those guys. Crushed them. He was up there in like probably maybe a minute. Go. Go squirrel feeder. Squirrel feeder. Look 2, complete.
Woo, woo, look too.
Yep, team's happy.
Now we're going to Ollie's Duck and Dive for some shrimp tacos. They're the tits.
There's the tits. All right, we're back. We're having fun.
Buongiorno.
Buongiorno.
Take this from you, please. Buongiorno.
Look, final look, last looks, big energy.
We've got clothes.
Model.
Models. Clothes. Yep. We've got makeup, Catherine.
We've got
Killing it.
makeup.
Oh, that turn. We've got makeup, Catherine.
got
Killing it.
makeup.
Oh, that turn. That was fierce.
Okay, guys, so remember what I told you about being able to be aware of what you're actually doing with the photo shoot and what's going to be happening with the hair. So first 2 looks, she's wearing a hat. Really important that I prepped her hair with that thickening gel because you're going to see in a second, all I'm going to have to do is like massage her roots and it's going to bring back the whole life and the texture and the foundation of her hair. If I didn't prep her hair with like something that's going to give it that grit, that like oomph, that emphasis, it would just be much harder for me to do this touch up. Now I can get a little more creative with throwing like sand in her hair, actually reaching into the salt water and getting some of that like natural salty texture, which I think would be very cool for this last look to kind of give her that warrior vibe that we were going for. So it's been a fantastic day. I really apologize for the creepy music in the background. I mean, this is basically like the start of a horror film, I feel. French, it's really fancy. Okay, just flip your head. Let's go sheet.
You can call me stupid.
Okay, so don't throw your head straight up into the air like I know you want to, because you're gonna knock yourself out on the top of this car.
You think that using her would get to me. And if you're right, then you're in trouble, D. 'Cause I won't break, no, I know I won't wait. You're in trouble, D.
Trying to dress up like a frigid bitch? I try not to look so constipated. That looks great.
But when it comes to her,
Well, I almost got one, but I got thrown out. I couldn't get on the boat yesterday. Now they won't give me any ice cream. Hello.
'cause I won't break, no, I know.
Can I get a, what's the, could I do a Choco Taco? Yay. How much is a Choco Taco? Oh, right, the numbers. That makes sense. Inflation. Thank you.
What did you get?
I got a Choco Taco.
Yes.
Oh, that was so organic, you girl. Fantastic. Yeah, I guess I picked a good one.
That's a good one.